This is the apocalypse! Not really. But what if it was? And you needed a way to get electricity, or to make electricity, or to use electricity, or to make something move. There's a lot of stuff you gotta do in the apocalypse, and it's really scary, and maybe science class can help. Welcome to You Forgot Your Notes. There should be a theme song. I should really get one. Alright, today we're talking about motors and generators. Motors and generators are the same in what they are initially. This, in my hand, is a taken apart motor. Inside is an electromagnet. Pretty neat. Electromagnet has this copper wire wrapped around an iron core. When you run electricity through it, it becomes a magnet. The casing here, has two magnets on the inside. What happens is when electrons move through the electromagnet, I'm fitting it in there. When electrons move through the electromagnet, the other magnets are attracted to the electrons because electrons are magnetic. And it starts to spin as they start to try and follow it, creating this spinny motion. So depending on what you need it for, this could be either a motor or a generator. I don't recommend using this as a generator, it's not going to get you much, but it's the same thing in essence. So I'll go ahead and show you. Motors are when you turn electrical energy into mechanical energy. Motors are what make your car move. They're important. Motors make anything move. Electrical to mechanical. Electrical energy, the movement of electrons to physical movement. Generators are the opposite, the backwards. They go from mechanical to electrical. They're what happens when you have those bikes that you pedal and they make things work. You see it on TV shows and stuff all the time. That's turning mechanical energy into electrical energy. I have a few right here. This is a fan attached to a motor. Basic type of stuff. I'm going to hook up a battery to it and not drop everything on the ground. That clatter was totally plausible. Be right back. I'm back. Alright, so we're going to hook up this fan to this battery and we are going to turn electrical energy into movement. It's more exciting than anything else. Look at that. It's spinning. It's hard to... there. Spinning. Ow. 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 It's pretty neat. But how do I show that I can make electrical energy? Because I don't have anything that's super useful to run on just the power of my fingertips here. I'm going to turn this motor into a generator because like I said, they're the same. Upwards, backwards, rightwards, frontwards. That made sense. So I'm going to hook it up to this ammeter. Look at that. Tells me how much electricity I got going here. It's pretty neat. Hook it up there. Hook it up. I got this. I don't need your help. Alright, let's hold it here. I'm going to try and do two things at once. Do you see the little there? Oh, I'm going the backwards direction with it. So as you can see as I spin it, I am creating electricity. Not creating a lot of electricity, but I'm creating electricity. What happens if I hook the battery up to it? Just to show you what the voltage here I'm dealing with. I'm down here. Hey, how you doing? Alright. So I'm hooking up a battery to it. And let's watch what happens to everything. You got your line there. I'm about to hook it up to the battery. Many things at once here. This could all possibly go wrong. So I'm going to hook it up right... Wrong side. Wrong. There we go. Look at that. Off the charts. So much better than my puny little finger twirling. But those are motors and generators. They are the same thing. They are an electromagnet surrounded by two other magnets that are attracted to the electrons that are spinning around and around and around, turning either mechanical energy into electrical energy or turning electrical energy into mechanical energy. You should have taken notes.